Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. He's up front taking a break. Long work day today. Wanted to show you what happens when you get nicks in your scissor and you keep on using them. So here we go. Alright, I was getting the scissor ready for sharpening and noticed it felt really crunchy. So I took a look at it. Hopefully you guys can see it too on my camera. So let's try to zoom. Oh, right there. Okay, so it's in focus. See these nicks here? That one. And that goes through the hone line. These are pretty chewed up. If I flip the scissor, you could see where it was contacting on both blades. Here. Sorry, it's hard to see through the camera, but yeah, somewhere around right here. So now I have to take off all this metal to make it feel smooth again and cut without getting jammed up. So as you see, that's quite a bit of metal that's got to come off there. So whenever you get a nick in your scissor, you could try the little trick, but try not to use that scissor a whole lot, or else the life of the scissor is going to drastically go down. I'm going to say that's probably 3 to 5 sharpenings. So basically almost a year off the scissors life just from these nicks. So just wanted you guys to be aware of that, and I hope this helps some of you, and have a good day. Bye.